Before you watch this video, just a disclaimer, this is not meant to be a tutorial. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing, and you will see in the video I actually broke one of the window visors, but I was still able to use it in the end, which is great. But I did damage it, so eventually in the video I do actually explain how to install these right. So don't follow this as a tutorial until I explain the actual way to install these later in the video. So yeah. Okay, bye. So, after months of waiting, specifically since Christmas, I'm finally able to install these. Got them for Christmas, shout out to my dad. We have the WeatherTech rain guards, window visors, whatever you want to call them, and really haven't done it because I've been waiting for warm weather, because I guess that's, according to what I've heard, is the best time to put them on is when it's hot out. So, damn it! Oh, that's great. Just drag it on the ground. That's awesome. So, it's pretty hot today. Summer's here finally. So, we are going to try to install them. I'll show you guys how to do it and show you what they look like. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome to another acid tree. Man, it's been a long time waiting for this. Here's the G. And we are getting a retune next week. Looking forward to that. There will be a video on it. I'll kind of show you guys how to do it. And I'll show you guys how to data log. And yeah, we'll get some exhaust shots because there's going to be flames, and do some pulls and see if I feel a difference, which I guarantee you I will, because their headers are way different than what I had. So let's get these window visors on. I'm going to try and do it in the garage because that sun is hot and I don't feel like getting sunburned. Yeah. Okay, so we have the rear visors. Now they kind of slide in your window or something like that. I don't know. There is a little piece of adhesive, but that's just to keep it from rattling around. And it comes with scratches from the factory. No extra charge. Awesome. And since I have yet to polish the car this year, we are going to be setting parts on top of it. Some instructions. And same deal. Comes with scratches from the factory. I'll hopefully be able to polish it out. Like, really? I don't know if you guys can see this. You probably can't, but there's scratches in it from the factory. I mean, seriously? Alright, hopefully it'll polish out. So, I'm going to read the instructions on how to install these, because honestly, I can't remember. Yep, it's gonna be one of those videos. So, give me 1 second to do that. Yeah, act like I know how to put these on. I really don't. Make sure windows are clean and dry. They're certainly not clean. Then lower windows halfway. Okay, look like it's halfway, hopefully. I should be doing this outside, but that sun is just way too hot. Alright, let's see what's next. Slide forward into window channel. Ensure edge rests on top of the outer windowsill. I'm one of those people that doesn't tend to read instructions, but this shit's confusing. Alright, we gotta do something about this so you guys can see what I'm doing here, because I do want this to kind of be a how-to video. Yeah, we're using the new gimbal today, so if you notice the video is extra smooth, that's why. But I'm kind of using it as a tripod right now. You must read the bottom edge must rest on top of the outside weather strip. Slide forward. Okay, so I guess you got to put it this way into the channel of the window, as they call it. Okay, forget it. This isn't a how-to video anymore. This is just me struggling to install more crap, and I'm not taking it seriously. So yeah, that's the way to run a YouTube channel. Ensure edge rests on top of the outer windowsill. Asegures de que el borde quede apoyado en la parte superior de la cerradura de la puerta exterior. Oh wow, it says exterior. It's in English. So I guess we got to do this. Insert rear edge, leaving a gap at the top. So you really got to bend the hell out of it, is what I'm getting from this. Don't do what I do. Watch the WeatherTech video on how to do this, because chances are I'm doing this completely wrong. Oh, that's the end of that. I just broke it. Great. Wonderful. I'm not shitting you guys. I just broke the thing. Well. Damn, man. Are you kidding me? I fucking broke it. Now we gotta buy new ones. How the are you supposed to do that? Well, that's probably gonna fall out constantly now. But watch WeatherTech's video. This is just me being an idiot installing this crap. Now it says to tuck it in, working from front to back. So I guess in this case it's gonna be back to front, because that's the best way to do it. It's a little because it broke, but won't fall out. And it's in. I don't think there's no way it'll come out, but like still it's. So it says to roll the window up and down 5 times, so let's do that. Of course. Wow, this is garbage. Like, really? I'm gonna hit that every time. Video's trash. Alright, so this completely went to shit. So what you actually have to do is roll the window down all the way, not halfway, because I looked up the video online. So don't listen to the instructions, watch the video. So what you do is you slide the lip into the window channel. So where the window comes out there, you slide it into there on the sides. You kind of start it here on the front of the door, I guess. And then you insert the back. You have to kind of bend it out like this and insert it here while leaving some space up here. Then from front to back, you kind of bow it out, as they say, and you just kind of work the lip, the so-called lip, in behind this piece of weather stripping in the window channel very carefully. And then that's how you get it in. At least that's how it is on the front ones. I have to do the back ones still, but so do it that way, because I broke this. And now every time I want to put my window up, I have to push out on this thing to get it started, otherwise it's going to hit it and the window doesn't go up all the way. Huge pain in the ass, but I'm going to have to deal with it because I'm not getting more. I got the driver's side in perfect. So yeah, that was a huge screw up. I guess at least it's on the driver's side where I can reach it to put the window up. It's not the end of the world, it's just going to be annoying. Don't be an idiot like me, do it right. So once again, get your tab in the window channel here. Don't insert any of this yet. Get the back tab behind this piece in the window channel. Leave some space up here, like this, and then slowly work it in, and carefully work it in behind the piece of weather stripping, and then roll the window up and down 5 times, and then keep it rolled up for 12 hours, and that's how you do it. So now I'm going to figure out how to do the back ones, but they're looking good. I mean, even though I kind of messed that one up, they are looking really good. And actually, right now we have a new video premiering. The last video, the Motordyne exhaust versus Arc exhaust, make sure you check it out. So I'm going to figure out how to get these back ones in. So these look very similar. The way to distinguish it is the wider part, or the wider end. You can see this part here is wider than this side. So we know that this part points towards the front of the car. We'll make sure to remove the adhesive or the adhesive strips, because these back ones have adhesive on them. So we'll make sure to remove that first. And it's just basically the same process. Oh man, these are gonna break. Huh. This back one actually went in much easier than the front ones. So just kind of pull up on it, make sure you get the adhesive started, and then we're going to roll up the window a few times. Carefully, do this with caution, because if you screw it up like I did on the front, it's going to be hitting it pretty hard. So that was perfect. And now the back one's installed, so now I'll do the other rear one. They're looking real good. Alright, so here's the other side. You'll get a much better view on this back one. So I'm going to peel off our adhesive. Alright, so we'll roll the window down all the way. And I just dented my door in my toolbox. This is just one of those days, isn't it? And we are going to start with the front. So hopefully you can see it. I wish I had a camera person for this. Should have hit up my guy Khalid. I didn't even think about that. That's too late now. Slide it in. And we're going to kind of bend it, be careful, and tuck it in the window channel. So behind this outer piece of weather stripping. And then the back ones are easier. You can just kind of, and it's in. So, and then we'll pull out on it to get the adhesive started. So like this, see how I'm doing this? Kind of like that on the ends. Push it up and just pull on it. And then we'll go ahead and roll up the window a couple times. Of course, be careful. So like right there, I would stop the window right before it hits it just in case something's wrong, like the driver's side front. Do it 5 times. And that's it. So let that sit for 12 hours and we have our WeatherTech window visors installed. Even though I screwed up the first one, but the rest of them went very well. So let's get you guys some cinematic footage because they look great. So that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Those are the new WeatherTech window visors on my G37 Sedan. Shout out to my dad for getting them for me for Christmas, at Christmas time, which was a while ago, but I was waiting for the weather to get nice to actually put them on because, as you saw, we did have to bend them. They look great. Really, really completes the car, and very, very... They look better than I thought they would, and you can see, I mean, come on, that just looks great. It just really completes the car. It looks more aggressive. More sporty, whatever you want to call it, and I'm very happy with them, and they will be pretty nice for when it's raining out and I want some fresh air. So obviously we did damage the driver's door one because I was in a damn hurry and I did not follow the instructions properly. I am just an idiot. So now I'm gonna have to find a way to fix it. Don't do what I do, but you did get the idea on how to install it. I eventually did tell you the right way to install it, so I guess I'll edit out when I'm editing this video, I'll edit out the parts where I explained how to install it. That was actually the wrong way. I guess I'll have to cut that out. But I actually did show you guys the right way to do it. So you know, I hope you guys learn how to do it because this is definitely a worthwhile mod, and it's convenient while also looking great. So next video is the retune. I am so excited. While this video is being shot, it is a week before, but man, we are gonna be spitting flames, popping. Oh man, whole new ball game versus just the burble tune. And the car is gonna be pulling very hard, and we have more engine mods coming in a few months, so be patient with me. They are coming. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fox Pack today. Hit the bell notifications to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our racing club at SilverFox Racing Group, and follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. And stay tuned because we have a lot of off-road content coming. And as I keep on saying, if you're here for the G37, please tune into this because every time I post about it, nobody watches it. Watch it, please. You won't regret it, I promise. That thing spits flames. Do the flames attract you? Is that what you want? Anyway, you don't want to miss out on it because that stuff is just as fun as the car. Remember, life's too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay classy.